hello YouTube users and Facebook users. Well, it's been 2 years already since I last visited Birkenhead Park Train Station. This station was one of the regular Merseyrail train stations that I used to alight here quite frequently and quite a lot of. But since we're in the COVID and the pandemic and the lockdown as such, and of course we're in 2021, as in like the last time I came here was about April 2019. But anyway, we're covering all the Class 507 EMUs and the Class 508 EMUs across the Merseyrail network before they go. There isn't a lot long for them, as in this period of time, because we'll probably see more withdrawals and more scrap moves coming about with them regards to the following year. So yeah, gonna spend like 1 hour and 20 minutes here, because disappointingly, when I was last year, I could only do half an hour, just filming a few units departing and approaching here at Birkenhead Park Train Station. So yeah, this time it's going to be a longish video here, and as I say, yeah, hope you do enjoy this one compared to my last visit back in 2019. So anyway guys, I'll leave you to enjoy. Birkenhead Park train station. Of course, you light here for the Birkenhead Park, which is just like up above the train station, and then they do like a various of like special events and that. But of course, it is famous. The park itself is famous for the public park and the sociology of the park itself, including the Roman architecture and also the public Roman gate arch as well. So yeah, throughout the years, like, this station has had a lot of its refurbishments and developments. Of course, like the recent refurbishment is the platform heightage for the new Class 77 EMUs coming into production by next year. So yeah, of course over here, underneath these trees, these branches, and all this green moss just along the ground here. There's the former 2 island platforms that used to be situated here at Birkenhead Park train station. Of course, all this was demolished around about the
well, since like the last EMU stock, which did services out of West Kirby to Liverpool Central, to New Brighton and Liverpool Central. Of course, like the platforms were dug up around about 1957, probably a bit later. Well, of course, they were, once the former island platforms were still here, underneath these trees and green moss. These two platforms were newly constructed and newly built, and they didn't see service around about 1971, I believe. But I may need to recap on my notes, obviously, because it was 1971. I'm sure of it, but yeah.
so that includes our brief 1 hour and 10 minutes here at Birkenhead Park Train Station. We managed to film quite a few Class 507 EMUs and Class 508 EMUs. So yeah, someone, a few girls there, like just partying. So well, what do you expect? It's Halloween, I suppose, like, you know. So yeah, we didn't spot any Class 508 EMUs really. Just spotted some Class 507s, 507 EMUs, and yeah, just doing West Kirby services, New Brighton services, and even New Brighton, yeah, New Brighton services, Liverpool Central services. So we had a bit of a brief look around the station and that. So what it accommodates and that, like, you know, the card scanning machines and that, like. So they've been newly installed, I think from 2020, because, you know, obviously when the new Class 77 EMUs come into place, they won't need guard operated. Well, they won't need guards anyway, like so. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video at Birkenhead Park train station. Let's say filmed here 1 hour and 10 minutes, and yeah, as I say, the next available train station will be Conway Park train station, filming the usual attraction, the Class 507 EMUs and the Class 508 EMUs. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, as I say, the the girls over there were a bit lively and that way, so yeah. Anyway, take it easy guys, see you later.